Good morning, first grade. Here's what we're doing today. We're going to actually use the home row keys in order to be home row typing superheroes. So, we first go to our classwork. We're in Google Classroom, so we go to classwork. And then you'll see all of these. These are everything we've done this week. So we'll click on this independent practice, this first one that says Friday. That's what we're going to click on. And we click there. And the first thing I want you to do is click on your Nearpod. Okay? So we're going to click on the Nearpod. And I want you to put your full name. All right? Your whole name. And you can put your nickname. You can put something down here, but I want your full name up here, okay? So if your name is Irmara and you put Zio down here, that's fine, but I want your whole name up here, okay? So let's join the lesson, and you're going to take your attendance. So you just let me know that you're here. So we click, right? And we push submit. So we can click one of these. I'm here to learn my home row keys. Yes, I am, or I'm excited. I hope you're excited. And then we click submit, and then that's it. So then we can actually just push this little X to get out of the whole thing. So push the X, and now we're back here. Now the next thing we're going to do is click this typing.com. Now we did this yesterday if you were in class, but typing.com /student/login. So we're going to click this one. It should be blue. And you'll get this screen. And you see this where it says log in with Google? It's that G right here, this really colorful G. That's the one I want you to click because you don't have all of this stuff. So we're going to do this one right here. So we're going to click that button and you're going to get this, but yours is going to have a lot less on here. So you're going to click the one that says your name. So if I'm MC Cash Production, I'm going to put that one, okay? So we click on that. And now we get to this awesome page right here. And this awesome page is going to help you learn to type. So what I want you to do is click this orange start button. Now you can stop and rewind this anytime you want to make sure you know what we're doing if I'm going a little too fast. So that's the cool thing about being watching a video where you can just rewind it so you can see. So we'll push this start button and we're going to watch. I'm going to turn off the sound, but we're going to watch this little video and I want you to watch it. It's 1 minute and 3 seconds long. So we're going to watch it and it's going to introduce you to your keyboard. Okay. So you can make it bigger by pushing this button. See this one right here. If you want to make it bigger, right there. All right. So once you're done with all of this video, you're going to get this orange button. Do you see that? Now we're going to push continue. And then, now we're ready to go. So you're going to sit up straight. You're going to put your ASDF. And you got to curl those fingers a little bit to put them on the key. Do you see how this guy has his fingers curled a little bit in order to get them on all of those? So ASDF, I put them on my keyboard. JKL semicolon, I put those on my keyboard. And my thumbs go on the space bar, just like this guy's thumbs go on the space bar. And it tells you to type the J. It shows you which one by blinking. So I'm not going to look at my keyboard. I'm going to look straight ahead. And I'm going to just press the J with this finger right here. And I'm going to press it. And it tells me I did it. And then you're going to push the enter key. It's right here, the enter key. It has a little weird looking arrow on it. So you can click that key, this one right here. Or you can click this right here where it says enter. And then we go to the next one. Now keep your fingers on the home row keys and you're just going to do what's highlighted. So if you see the little finger, you're going to only push that index finger because all we're typing is the J. I don't need to look down. I can look straight ahead and just click J, 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 J. I didn't have to look down at all, and I got all 3 of my stars, which is exactly what I wanted. And then I go down here and I push this continue button, or I can push the enter button on the computer or on the keyboard. Okay, so if I push the next one, now I have to do the F. So again, my fingers are on the home row keys. So I push F and I found it. Now I can push either enter on your keyboard or enter right here, and I'll click it. And now I push F, F, F. But wait, if you look, there's a J right here. So I have to push J too. J, F, 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 J. But I'm not looking at my fingers. I'm looking at the screen because it shows me on the screen which buttons I push. So any one that's blue, that's the finger I'm going to use. So I push F, F, F. Oh, look at that. It switched over to the J. And then F, 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 J. And I got all my stars again. I'm doing awesome. Now there's one more thing before I go and let you guys do it. If this comes up and you don't see anything, we're just going to keep pushing that orange button, that continue button, or push enter. Now, eventually, I wanted to show you how to use the keyboard. So I'm just going to do this one really quick so I can get to the next one where it shows the space bar. So you can do the space bar as well. Okay? And the next one should show you another video. So I do want you to watch these videos because they have a lot of good information in them. Okay, so watch the videos. And it's going to tell you about the space bar and where that is. So once you get to the space bar, I want you to make sure that at the end, you're using this little symbol right here. That's the blue one that's blinking. That's the long space bar. So we have to push that one. And then remember, enter or enter on your keyboard. And these spaces are going to be your spaces on using your space bar. So if you look, this one's blue and so is this one. That's the one it wants you to hit. So I don't look at my fingers. I just use my thumbs and push down. And then I push the J. And I push down with the thumbs. And then I push my index finger with the J on the home row keys. And then I push down. See how that works? And that's it. So I want you to go do yours. And remember that when you're going on this, you're clicking this typing.com. You're clicking login with Google. And click your name. And then we can start. It'll be a start button right here. But I've already done some of them, okay? Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you back here on Tuesday. Alright, have a good day.